Hey, first grade, today we're going to do our week 3 early bird video. And so let's get to it. If my computer will cooperate. Okay, so yours should look like this. It should be number 11 on our screen. Okay, so it says to circle the name of the picture. Well, let's sound these words out. We have n, pen, n, pan, or n, pun. That's a picture of a pen for sure. Ooh, I am red. That's cool. We'll just stick with red today. Then we have, below that we have add, bad, id, bid, or ed, bed. What's that a picture of? That is a bed. And wow, we have a new vocabulary word. I guess they stick with those vocabulary words for about 2 weeks because that's how long it's taken. So now G can have 2 different sounds. It can have the soft sound of J, or it can have the hard sound of G. So in this case, because it is followed by an E, it has the soft sound. So this actually says gem, gem. And we will learn at the end of the year, really, that the E coming after a G or a C makes it have the soft sound. So this is a gem, and it's a noun, meaning it's a thing, and it's a jewel. So your mom or your grandma's jewelry usually will have gems in them. My jewelry that I have on today doesn't have any gems in it. It's just silver. But gems, like the stones in a ring or something like that. That's a gem. So we are going to trace over that. Whoa, there we go. Gem, and then we are going to write it out ourselves, noticing that the G is hanging down below the line. I'm a little itchy. Okay. This sentence says, I help. Who do you help? Or, yeah, I don't think that would be a what do you help? Who do you help? I help my mom is what I'm going to put. And then I'm going to trace over at the bottom. I help my mom. And remember, we're going to put a period there. Okay, sight words. I don't think they've had these yet. So the first one, at. We're going to trace it and then write it. If. And I think it's not this week. I think it's next week where we learn about the TH sound, making the th sound. So with. With. Okay. Is. His. It is his pencil. Yeah. That sounds funny. But this word, that's why it's called a sight word, because you need to know it by sight and not sound it out. It's they. They are laughing. Last one, g. Oh, and it's not g, ah. Again, another reason that you need to learn it by sight, because words can do weird things sometimes. Okay, you're about to see the ceiling of my classroom because I'm going to put this tablet down and then I'm going to rotate it around when I'm writing these words on these lines. So remember, we always use these words and we write them on the lines. So we have at, with, his, they, go. Okay, whoa. We're rotating it around and keep going. At, with, I just made it bigger for you. There we go. I was on his, they. I'll tell you around a little bit more. Go. There we go. Excuse the camera. Did I get you dizzy? Okay, you can always pause the video if you need to, but I'm going to keep going. Okay, so write the matching numbers in the circles. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries plus 1, 2, 5. I can count on 5, 6, 7. 7 strawberries. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. Again, I know that I have 4 here. I can just count up from there. I don't have to say 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have to count it again because I just counted it. So I could say 4, count up from there, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 different ways again to get 7. We have 5 plus 2, and then we have 4 strawberries in the first circle, and 3. Both of those ways give me 7. Okay, we need to trace the numbers in the middle of these flowers, and then we need to match them. We need to draw stems, match them to their pots. So 9, n, n, n. 9 starts off with a n. What makes the n sound? The N. So this is going to match that flower. 9. Okay. 7. S, 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 s. What sound is that? The S. Uh-oh, they both have S at the beginning. S, s, s. Eh, sa, s, eh, eh, eh. What makes the eh sound? The E, so I'm looking for S-E, and I see it right there. S-E, 7. 7. So I know that's right. Yep. So then this must be 6. Yep, this is 6. Okay, it asks you to color. I'm very sleepy today. Color the squares. So we've done an activity with a square before. It has how many sides? I almost just told it to you, but how many sides? 4 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a square. I'm going to color it in as best as we can. Oh, I got a little bit out of the lines. It's all right. I'm trying to stay in the lines. Okay. Oh, nope. That just has one continuous side. What shape is that? That's a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. That's a square. One continuous side again. That's a circle. 1, 2, 3. That only has 3. What shape is that? It's a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. And that is a square. And 1, 2, 3. Nope. That only has 3 sides. That's a triangle. Okay. That is it for number 11. I will do 12 and 13 this week as well. So you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you on Zoom calls if you're my student.